Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Alright, people, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pom。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to talk about something that might have occurred when you were young, especially at home. You know, parents, moms love to tell their kids to go buy something in the middle of cooking. 很奇怪哈，妈妈煮饭煮到一半呢，就会叫小朋友去买东西。
阿叔啊，迄人买乜鸡啊？
就想说，奇怪，妈妈为什么没先想好再煮嘞？
不是没先想好，是想到要拿东西啊。怎么剩一滴而已没了
Yeah, a lot of times, you know, moms are cooking and they realize they're missing a certain ingredient, so she's going to ask the kid to go buy something for them, okay? So let's teach people how to say that. 比如说，如果我是妈妈，就跟小朋友说，去帮我买一瓶酱油啦 ，Go get a bottle of soy sauce for me.
迄老爱买，
还送小孩去牢里买哦，
没有那么可怕，
好可怕哦。
迄老爱买是去帮我买
哦，牢这个字其实委托那种感觉，
对，就帮我买一下。
哦，that means to help. OK， 好，迄老爱买
一罐 tell you。
哦，一罐就是 one bottle of tell you，
对，就是酱油。
That's soy sauce. OK， 然后突然间又忘记了，还有一瓶醋 ，and also a bottle of vinegar。
含爱一罐吃，
含爱一罐吃。
对，可是海陆腔就不太一样了。
OK， 海陆 another dialect。
一罐蒜丝，为什么要讲说蒜丝呢？蒜丝就是酸醋了，要加一个酸进去。
Okay, so with Hailu dialect, it's 一罐蒜丝 means a bottle of sour. They had to use the adjective sour vinegar.
对。
OK. 那小朋友可能说，到底要买大瓶还是小瓶啊？
愛太乾嘅。
愛太乾嘅就是大瓶的咯。
也係細乾嘅。
也係細乾嘅。Okay, that means a big bottle or a small bottle. 既然讲到这个醋啊，哈卡是不是也是说人家吃醋也是用这个醋这样子？
你说的吃醋是哪一种吃醋呢？
就是 Alice， 你跟别人出去，然后都不约我的这种吃醋啊，对啊。
OK， 好，来，我来教你咯。唔好目珠擦啦，
唔好目珠擦啦，
就是你的眼睛不要这样红红的啦，看不惯了啦。
Okay, they don't use vinegar as a reference to being jealous. They actually say your eyes are red, aren't you?
就是眼睛这样子，看到别人出去就
擦
对，就擦朋友，
刺的哈。All right, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
看子谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.